Stop shooting!
It's roughing! Shooting pain.
Get out of my way!
Shooting pain. Shooting pain. Shooting pain. All we do is just shooting pain. We shoot the pain. Sometimes I feel like Alabaster Slim, but I ain't got no rubber knife to run with in my hand. Oh, I could be like Dre Wolf from Wolf's Den, but I ain't got no goddamn, cause I honestly got 3 sons, so no money to buy that. Cause I would rather purchase paint and run up on the fields until we tire about to faint. And I could be just like Mr. HK, running cause a melee. Bring my team a W, I'm popping shots like Pele. Hey, what can I say? We lead the field, living just to play another day. Even when we sleep, we all the same. Cause even in our dreams, all we doing shooting paint. All we doing shooting paint. All we doing just shooting paint. 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 We shoot the paint. Sometimes I feel just like I'm Pistol Pete, but I ain't running pistols or that quick up on my feet. And I could be just like Greg Hastings, undercover waiting, only taking 1 shot. That 1 shot was amazing, but I would rather waste my pods and every single ball up in my hopper till it's gone. And I could be like Kimbo Sasson, pistol double-handed, but I stick to my hopper. Not enough pain in mag fed. Hey, what can I say? We lead the field, living just to play another day. We hope and pray, we all the same. Cause even when we leave, we in heaven shooting paint. We in heaven shooting paint. All we doing just shooting paint. Shooting paint. All we doing just shooting paint. We shoot the paint.
According to the most recent statistics from the Sporting Goods Manufacturers Association, paintball ranks as one of the safest sports in terms of potential injuries. A player is more than 10 times as likely to be injured playing soccer as he is playing paintball.
If you really want this industry to grow, if you really want paintball to get big, everybody who plays paintball needs to grab somebody who doesn't play paintball and make them play paintball.
Players of all ages and physical conditioning can excel and enjoy this
You have to grow the industry. You have to grow people playing paintball.
Literally, paintball is what you make it. Whether you're the weekend warrior type looking for your next rush, or the quiet ninja type, paintball is for you.
Really, the best thing anyone can do is just grab somebody who's never played, let them play, and let them have a good time. That, to me, would be the best way to grow paintball.
And despite what many may believe, aggression, negativity, and unsportsmanlike conduct, there's no room for that in paintball.
Shooting paint. All we doing just shooting paint. 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 We shoot the paint.
Hey, we got people in the garage. Got him! Got him!
I think this guy's out here rushing.
Hey, what are you doing on the right side? Woo! He's rapping! He's rapping! Hey, he's right side, he's rapping! Check our left side.
Step out and get him.
You're out! You're out! You're out!
Straight ahead.
Hey! Hey! What's the crack? What's the crack there? They're trying to shoot
You can't.
All right, come out, come out. You're out, you're out. Hey,
Oh, watch out. Whoa.
Where's he at?
Hey, pinch it. I don't know. Oh, he's on, just on the right of that big pole.
What do you mean?
Hey, Ralph.
Okay, they're shooting through the crack.
Oh, that's crap.
You're out. Hey, you want to wrap the boat around? I got a lot of them.
Where? What? Fuck.
They're coming up! They're coming up!
I didn't know you could shoot under the thing.
He did. He went around.
Did he? I was looking.
When you turned around, that's when he shot.
Oh.